resistor keyboard. Testing if can make aluminum foil keyboard, because copper or solder is maybe not so healthy. Laser cutter has engraved positions for knife. On panel is more or less finished. 9-volt battery taped and goes through safety diode. 200 kilo ohm resistor with LED in series. The chip is glued by poster fix. Now we have sounds. It was designed in Tinkercad, 10 by 15 centimeters. The box is being printed. Result of today. This is Hexaphon. It will help me better to understand musical tones. Oscilloscope traces. Use the oscilloscope to tune the notes. The problem of these keys is that fingers become dry and then it doesn't work. These keys do not have memory. It is switched off immediately when released. 440, 390, G4, A4 notes. Nice beat note. Harmonics. Resistive foam. It works, but it makes extra noise. I have printed out the notes. This is in equal tempered, where each note is by this factor higher, and then is just scale from Old Greeks and Pythagorean scale. To the string. capacitors, they are 100 kilo ohm, not to load the chip. With 10 kilo ohms it was producing strange sounds. Capacitors are 22 nanofarads, all 6 of them, and there is additional resistor in series to trim the range. This resistor is about 50 to 100 kilo ohms. Hex inverter with Schmitt triggers. All capacitors are 22 nanofarads. Polyester film to have less frequency dependence on temperature. All resistors variable are 100 kilo ohms. This is to minimize the loading of the chip, and in series with the resistor is the trimming resistor 20 to 100 kilo ohms depending on the node. Afterwards comes 10 kilo ohm resistor to the touchpad. 10 kilo ohm was chosen mutual interference between channels, then it is less than when using 1 kilo ohm. And on the output we have AC coupling, capacitor. This small value is good because it does not let 50 Hz through. And then there are 2 diodes which limit the output signal not to overload the amplifier. And actually there is one more strip. When playing, usually touch it with fingers, and that gives less 50 Hz pick up. And on power side, there is 9-volt battery, reverse polarity protection, electrolytic capacitor, LED with resistor, and with super bright LED, resistor can be as high as 1 mega ohm. Current consumption by circuit is 2 milliamps. To remove limiter on the output, it was making new harmonics, like a frequency mixer.